Such a good boy. What are you doing?
Oh, the chargers.
Daddy. Mommy. Count me one. Show me 1, 2, 2, 3, 1. Come on. Count. 1, 2.
She put in your sock on?
Daddy.
Your sock. Cut her. Cut her.
The sock is so small.
Oh, his foot is so big.
Yeah, he's got a wide foot.
Got big feet.
Dad.
Yeah.
Who's the boss lady right there?
No, I don't like that. Give me that. Turn it on you.
Uh-oh. There's trouble going on, Connor.
All right, Hannah, you're finished.
No. She's putting on your shoe.
Daddy.
Yes. Yes. Okay, 1,
Shoot suit in the car.
I know.
1. Kind of 1. So tiny.
Your feet aren't getting any smaller, that's for sure.
There you go.
I help you out of those before, you know.
Probably next month, and then
Yeah.
we'll have to spend another $60 on for our little bitty shoes.
Yeah,
Whoa,
we got
that's a
two
nice
pairs for
shoe.
$60.
Okay, run.
They're striped,
Come here.
right? So
You can let go.
it's good for this.
Let go, hon.
Oh!
Whoops! Wipeout! Are you okay? You come here? You just go stand there and kick, huh? Daddy gonna rescue you? Run!
I'm gonna get
I can get you too. Tiki 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 tiki.
There.
Tiki 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 tiki. Tiki 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 tiki. You're silly. Say hi, Grandpa. Say hi, Grandpa.
I got cars. What's that?
Just go look at cars. Huh? Oh.
Yep. Zig and a zag.
Where are you leaving? Where are you going? You go find your car.
See ya.